We're going to talk about our wedges right at the moment. We have wood and plastic wedges. I have the wood ones out right now. And these are anatomical wood wedges. They're anatomical because they are rounded on the bottom here rather than a perfect triangle in shape. The top is the point. When you set this square base on the table, the top should come to a point. And that is the area that goes directly under the contact between your teeth. It should never be on the side. You can see on, if I turn it on the side here, the point is not directly on the very center of the top. Here it is, like these little fiddly things. There we go, like that. This is the top, okay? Also, if I were to look at it point in, and I'm going to zoom in for you. We'll try to get that focused for you. You can see that this is not an equilateral triangle, meaning all three sides are the same. You can see that the sides on the right and the left are longer and the bottom is shorter to make this triangle be tall. So it's the height that we're looking at here from top to bottom. So this is going to be the top underneath your contact. It should never be like this. This is not the top. This part does not go under the contact. I hope you can see that you're going to be really pushing into the side of the adjacent tooth here. And of course the other way as well. This is not the top. The top is always this taller part. This is the part that goes under the contact. Now in dentistry, as I've mentioned before, color usually has meaning. So for our purposes in our clinic, we have these wooden wedges here. We have the blue, which is the smallest. Then we have the next size, which is green. Then we have yellow, and then we have blue. And you can use any of these sizes. They're all appropriate. It's based on what your patient needs. Some patients have very wide areas between teeth, as embrasure spaces between teeth. We call them gingival embrasures. And some have very narrow. So you're going to have to look at your patient's embrasure spaces to help you determine what size you're going to need.